for competitions, I have my own rub, KG Barbecue. It's an all-purpose rub. It's good for your briskets and chickens and ribs. But yeah, I've been at it for about 2 years on my spices. Now they're going to be coming out here shortly, so that's what I use.
I use like 5 different rubs. I have my own. I have my own line of rubs. They've been very successful for the past year. It's probably one of the #1s in Academy and stuff. But to get the edge, you always got to have the edge in this competition world, because the other guy's going to try to beat you. So I use about 5 different rubs. My rubs are really good. It's a very good base, and then you add to it. It's got a subtle flavor, and actually it's one from California all the way to New York and everything in between. So it's a great, and that makes me feel good that it's a great all-purpose rub. But in the competition world, you got to always kick it up another notch. And I use some of his rubs, and I use mine, and I use couple other competition guys. But yeah, you got to have the edge. In this industry, the competition industry, it's always changing, and there's always someone there to eat your lunch, and you always got to be 2 steps ahead. You know, one of the greatest things that I've been loving to do lately in the past 4 or 5 months is really hanging out with this guy. And it kind of feels like we're a bunch of wrestlers that have our own wrestling teams, and now we're combining to make this ultimate tag team. And we've just been killing it. And we killed it at the World Championship. We killed it last week. And, you know, we've been doing nothing but snapping necks and catching checks, baby. And shake and bake, right?
Yeah, love it.
Yes, and we've had a lot of fun doing it. And we're here in Georgia this weekend. Hopefully we can have the same. We're pushing it this week because, you know, we've been dominating Texas together and having fun, but we're coming out of our element. And, you know, I think REC TEC's going to take us to the championship level and put us on that hill, the Grand Champion Hill this weekend. And
be on stage.
Yeah, that's what it's all about.
REC
Making
TEC.
that walk, REC TEC.
REC TEC.